Everyone visiting Blowing Rock wants the cabin with the view, but imagine owning the land behind that view. Cooler summer air, wooded privacy, and a place to unwind. Just minutes from Blowing Rock and Boone's shops, restaurants, and community. A place your family can come back to whenever you want, not just when a rental is available. Or maybe your ideal escape is the Maine coast. Once you're under contract, you can camp on your property, gather friends, launch from the private boat ramp, and spend weekends surrounded by preserved land near Bar Harbor and Acadia. Build later. Start making it yours now. And in the Outer Banks, most people rent for a week. Imagine having a private island your family can return to anytime. Days on the water. Evenings with friends. Total privacy with Manteo just minutes away for restaurants, shopping, and local events. Mountain views, the Maine Coastline, or Outer Banks Islands, each offers a different lifestyle and a place to call your own. Contact us to schedule a virtual tour of available properties.